Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, we are continuing our Laravel 9 e-commerce series. And now guys, we have seen in the previous video about the CRUD of color list. And now guys, what we are going to do with this color list, we will be adding these colors into our products. Okay. So guys, when you add new product or edit or update new product, we have to add the colors for its product. Okay. So when you select with mobile, we don't have any colors or laptops, but we come to the men's category and we have a shirt product. So in that shirt product, we need a different types of colors. So for that purpose, we are going to add an option called product colors over here. Okay. So guys, first step, let's go to this URL. I mean, add this form, add product form, and then we will add one color. So let's get back. Yep. Let me close all the files. First, move to your web.php and go to your product create function. So here we move, add product controller, open your product controller, all set. Let's get to create function and here is the product create file. All done guys, add product. Now you can move below and here is your product image. I mean this part. So at this part only we'll be adding one more tab called product color. So let's copy this, paste. Okay, and let me just rename this as product color. Okay, all set. And here you have an ID. Let's change to color. And you have a bootstrap toggle and your bootstrap target. So you need to set this target with the color. Okay, so two changes. And now let's get below. And here you have to set the tab. So let us copy this tab, paste here, and you have to set the ID of your toggle. Okay, so you need to copy this target and paste that same target ID. As simple guys, you have to set this. And now let's change the label called select color for your product. Okay, just give select color, it's fine. And now you need to loop your colors. So we have already made the colors guys, which we saw here in the previous video. We have done the colors list. So we are going to get this colors and just loop it in a checkbox. So you need to make it as checkbox, and this is going to be the colors. We have multiple colors and it's going to be inside array, and we need to remove this multiple. We do not need any class for this, so you can remove that class. And here we'll be naming all the colors like red, green, blue, whatever it is. So guys, first step, let me just design with the row here, row column md3, where you are going to put this inside your input. All set. Now guys, let's get back to our product controller at create function, and here we'll be adding our colors. So we can view in our create blade file, color all, done. And let's give where condition over here because we want to see only the active colors. Let's give status. Here you check 0. When it is active, then only we will get the colors. All done. And now you send this variable colors inside the compact function. Here you get your colors, and now you can go back to your create blade file. And here you start looping your data. Let's use for else. Like if you don't have any color at that time, you can show your colors is empty. So color item, you can take this inside your for else, and here you need to, and here just create a column md12 and tell no colors found. All set. Let me remove this, and now you can take the color items. Here you paste the color name, the color column name, color name. If you want, you can just check it out in your color model, color.php. Here's your name, code, and status. So you can call that. This is my name, and we need the ID to store. Paste here and make this ID. Let me bring this down. All set, guys. Now let us check the output once before doing. Let's refresh. Okay, colors not found. Let's get back to our product controller. Import its class, guys. Let's move below app model color, what we have made, and you find that colors model. Now get back to your create blade, and again let's refresh and check. Perfect. So we got the product color, and how much color we have seen that. Okay, so all the list of colors, it's visible. So now guys, with this color we have to add the quantity also. So let's add that. Let's get back, and this is the color, and then here you tell create a br tag, and now this will be a quantity colon and input number name with quantity 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 of array. Let's give the style over here and just add one border, guys, like 1 pixel solid, and I want the width also, so width width of 70 pixel. So we can make the text box small, and let's add the tag. So guys, I want to create one simple p2 border, I mean p2 padding with border. Here we copy this and paste below, so it's in one complete div tag. And now guys, let's check the output for this. So get back, let's refresh, guys, and we go to our product color, and here you see perfect, but we need to give that margin bottom for that border. Let's give margin bottom 2 or 3, so it differentiates below. Let's get back. Perfect. So now guys, if you want, you can just select with the CRUD and then start giving the quantity for each color. Okay, so yep guys, now let's get back and to the code and start with the inserting of colors. So first step, what we are going to do, like if you try to insert this red color and you give only quantity for this colors, to handle correctly all the data, you have to pass your color ID. So whatever you are taking in this value, you need to send in the color ID and your quantity also. Okay, that same color ID will be sending each data. And now you can get back to the form. So what is the form here? You see on submit product. So get back, and here is a product store function. Let's go to the product controller at store function. So guys, we have to get below. Let me show you this. Product is creating, and this is for image. And now here we have to create for our insert product colors. So guys, for that, let's give an if condition first and check $request of your colors. Okay, so now guys, let's create the for each loop here to loop all our colors. So according to the colors only, we'll be inserting the quantity also. So yep, let's tell $request of colors. Let me copy from top your $request of color as $color. So all the color we can get over here. So before getting the color, we need the ID also to check the quantity. So you can, we have already set that the key. Okay, so inside this key, what data you'll be getting? You'll be getting your the color ID. So okay, so this will be your key over there. Done. So from this key only we'll be validating. So for that color, what quantity you'll be getting. Okay, so guys, now let's get the product variable. So how are you getting this product variable? When we are creating the product. Okay, so we are creating that product and getting the ID. So in that product ID, we have to give the relationship of product colors. So product colors function, and you'll be creating the record. So now you have to link the product colors, guys, first. So you need to go to your product variable. Where is this? Here, and this is going to your products model. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to go to our model first, product model. Let's move below, and this is our product model. And here we need to create a has many relationship, like product has many colors. So create one function, and the function name is going to be product colors, and remove this, and here you are going to return $this of has many function, and here you will tell product color. Okay, colon class, comma, and your relationship of product ID, foreign key, this is your product ID, and then your ID. All set, guys. And now you need to go to your product model. So we don't have the product model, guys. So for that, we have to create the migration and the model for this product color. So let's create that, guys. PHP artisan make colon migration. First we'll create the migration. Create product colors table, hit enter, and here is your created migration. Let's go below, go to your product colors, and now, guys, we need to add some column fields. Now you have to relate your product ID. So unsigned big integer function, and then your product underscore ID. All set. And now, guys, we need one more column for your color ID, color underscore ID. Now, guys, one final, that is your quantity integer function, where we'll tell quantity, quantity. All set, guys. And now we need to give the foreign key relationship over here. So let me just copy that from another migration. Let's copy and paste here. Let's tell product ID belongs to ID of products table, and one more foreign key, which will be the color ID, and paste here. And this goes to color table, colors. And now here we will not be deleting this, instead we'll set it to null. So, guys, when you set null, here you have to accept as nullable. So let's give nullable. So when I delete any color by mistake, it should make as null that color. Okay, as simple, guys. Now let's migrate this table, PHP artisan migrate, hit enter. So our table is migrated, guys. And now let's create the model of product colors. So yep, PHP artisan make colon model where product color, hit enter. Your product color model created. Now, guys, let's get back to our product model. So here is our product color model, and we need to assign that the table protected $table is equal to your table name, that is the product underscore color. And now you need to create all the fillables. So $fillable, where you will be telling the product ID. So product underscore ID, comma, your color ID, and then one quantity, quantity, quantity. All set. And now, guys, let's copy this model name and get back to our product controller. So where is our product controller? Here, and you move below. Here you have to set that. So to set, we will not be setting here. Instead, we are going to that product relationship. Okay, so get back to your product model first, and here you find that product colors relationship, and you have to set here. Now, guys, you need to import its class. Imported, you can see, yep, product color imported. And now with this help of product colors, you can create your multiple colors, guys. All set. And now let's begin with inserting the data. So first will be your product ID, where you are going to get the variable from this product while creating the product. If you are not understanding, you have to watch out the product add product video. Okay, now product of ID you get here, and then guys you need to get your color ID. So color underscore ID, and then your color ID will be getting from this for each loop. All set. And one quantity, guys. So quantity quantity, where dollar request of your quantity input name. Let me copy from the file. Where is that quantity? Here, just copy this quantity, and you get this as array. Your quantity is array. So let's add that, and the ID what we are getting is color ID, guys. So which we have stored in this dollar key. Let's get that and insert here. And now guys, when he has checked the color and he have not inserted the quantity, so at that time you have to use that default 0. It should insert at least. Okay, like for example, you have checked the color but you have not given any number here. If you directly save it, then it will save the 0 quantity. Okay, so for that we are doing this. So now guys, let's test it whether it's getting created or not. Yep, let's get back and refresh. So now guys, so before inserting any record, let me check my database. So product colors, and here is a table, guys. And now let's insert a product. Let's select with the men t-shirt, and the product name will be t-shirt, I mean slug, and the brand is like Levis. Let's give it, and some description, small description, long description. Let's get back to SEO, paste and get back to the details. And now let's move on product image. If you want, you can add the image. Let me add it. Here I select shirt to, I have 3 shirts. Let me open 3 files is there. I'm going to upload image also, and now I have that red 2 quantity and with the blue 5 quantity. Okay, and now let's submit the record. Submit. So quantity must be an integer. We gave the quantity here, but what you see in the product color, we have this one more quantity, right? So it's getting classed for that. So guys, for that you have to change the code of your color quantity. Let's get back to create blade. Here you add color quantity. Okay, so make sure you change this and get back to your controller directly, product controller, and update this quantity request. Okay, request of color quantity. That's it. So only 2 changes, one is here and one is in your blade file. That's it, guys. So let's get back, and yep, let's try to insert one more data. Let me just fill out, guys, very soon. Here for men details I have inserted. Let's go for SEO and details, 400 to 99, quantity 20, product images, 1 2 3 images, open, and product color I'm going to select red, blue, quantity 5, and here I have quantity 2 for blue. So now let's submit. Perfect. So product added successfully. You see that men has t-shirt, and you get back and you see your product colors. You'll be finding your records. Perfect. So we have inserted the record, guys. And now guys, let's continue in next video about edit that colors. So when you click on edit product, you need to find your what are the colors and how you can delete those colors. Okay, so in this video that's it, guys, and let's continue next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.